Well, we rehearsed that.
We're going to Florida.
Woo! Going camping.
We're going camping in
Fort Wilderness. Yeah, we're gonna go to Fort Wilderness to go to Universal.
Yes.
We're gonna go to Disney to go to Universal.
Let's show you what we're taking. Mel, you want to give them a tour?
Gear haul.
All right, so we're gonna start with what we're taking into Epic, I guess.
Indeed. Yeah, this is the stuff to keep us occupied in lines and cool in the Florida heat and dry in the Florida rain.
Yes, occupy in line. We have our Switch. We have a tablet. We have headphones to stay cool. We have fans.
We have lots of fans.
Mal, what's this?
That's a wand.
Yes, it
You
is.
want to open it?
Harry Potter.
Oh, I think it's upside down, baby.
Aloha.
I'm unlocked.
We also have ponchos because we plan to go to Isle of Burke.
That's why?
Yes.
I must be missing something. We also have a 50th anniversary cup that was made well before the 50th anniversary of either one of those.
Yeah, it's kind of funny. Both Hello Kitty and Jaws turned 50 at the same time.
Though I do believe this cup came from Universal.
It did.
And of course, we need hats. Mommy doesn't like hats.
I might wear a hat.
Make sure you take shoes that are good for standing.
And good for getting wet. We are also going to Typhoon Lagoon.
Those are Typhoon Lagoon shoes, and those are standing for long periods of time shoes.
We have our coupon book for Disney Springs, our Mickey ears, and our magic bands.
And then real life supplies.
Medicine, glasses.
It's basically a week-long road trip. Drinks and PB&Js. Snacks and more snacks.
Snacks galore.
Pretend that's filled with water bottles. And electrolytes.
Prepping for Fort Wilderness, we have our brand new tent.
Brand new. It's so big.
Yo.
Yeah. We have our 3 sleeping bags.
Which take up a whole suitcase.
And then our old tent is in there, which we're not going to use.
What are you talking about? He gets his own tent. And then we've got 2 air mattresses with a pump. Lights, speakers, binoculars. This is our standard camping bag with all our normal, hatchet, multi-tool, gloves for cooking, welding. I mean, whatever you want to do while you're camping. Obviously, because the world is what it is, you need a computer. And
Hey, I'm going to have to work a little bit while we're there.
yeah, sure. And it's so much nicer to have a mouse than a touchpad. We got some batteries and cords to keep things charged. And that's for you guys.
Let's go.
Let's do it.
We had originally planned on making multiple stops on our Florida trip.
We got a little rained out.
Yeah, we couldn't stop because of the rain. So we did manage to make one good stop, and that was to Carroll's Sausage in Georgia.
Yes, Asheville, I think it was.
Ashburn?
Ashburn.
Ashburn. We are at a place with a pig on a sign.
Pig. Oink, oink.
See the pig on top of the sign? Carroll's Sausage and Country Store. Oh, there's the peanut! Look, there's the peanut!
We can walk to the peanut.
It's a giant peanut.
It's a giant peanut.
Is on the right.
So we have driven 4 hours and we are stopping off at Carroll's Country Store. I thought it said restaurant. We're going to go double check. Otherwise we might be eating somewhere else. And then we're going to walk and see that giant peanut over there.
Woohoo.
Just like Bluey.
I want you to turn the video on.
It's a horse.
Horse.
It's a horse.
Jaws. It's going to eat something.
Pulling a wagon.
was founded in 1988 as
That's the year I was born.
a butcher shop, sausage shop.
Hey, sleepyhead. Oh, goodness. They're supposed to have like a butcher shop or something.
Daddy, you're carrying me?
Maybe. Are you slipping?
Slipping, I'm not trying to. I can't.
We're here to stretch.
Philly cheesesteak snack steaks, and then this is bacon that has our bacon booster on it.
In 2001, it was purchased by a longtime employee and expanded into a country store. It has a second location. Don't know when that opened up. They have over 50 varieties of sausages, including at least 2 award-winning sausages.
Oh, we tried some of the sausage. They were giving out samples of the sausage, and it was good. And then we bought and ate some of the sausage. And now look at the bison head.
It's a giant bison.
But they have a full-service butcher shop in the back. They're known for their quality, and I don't remember anything else. Enjoy peanut.
And honey, sauces galore, pickled items, grilling jelly jams, pepper jellies.
Are those diamond things over there?
It looks like wine.
Oh.
Yes, it does. Yeah, pepper butter, coffee.
They focus on Georgia-grown products, and we got a Georgia
Pickled items.
Carolina-style barbecue sauce.
So it looks like they might be out of pulled pork sandwiches. There's the bacon biscuits, and then there's the sausage dogs. What will he eat?
It's a good question.
Regular beef.
The bacon biscuit?
Oh, he might eat a bacon biscuit. Mal, do you want a bacon biscuit or do you want a sausage dog? I'm gonna try a sausage. Your jalapeno sausage, jalapeno and cheese. How is it?
Sausage I had was very good.
Mine needed barbecue sauce. I don't know why. Maybe it was just me.
We're gonna have to pour it out.
How was it?
Good. It needs barbecue sauce.
I wasn't really hungry at
Yeah.
that time, so I didn't get a lot, so I didn't get much of the meat.
Yeah.
They were sampling the bacon, and the bacon they sampled was delicious.
Oh, and when I was in the car before I pulled all the bacon off, I yelled bacon power.
And then you ate all the bacon.
So what did we think of Carroll's?
Good.
Good?
My sausage was pretty good.
Yeah, it was very good. We bought some barbecue sauce.
Yep.
And
Stepped on a
now,
mushroom.
now we're walking from the store over to the giant peanut.
Hello, Peanut.
And then when you see the giant peanut in one of the pictures, I have a peanut head!
Just want to say we've made it to Florida.
Woohoo!
Woohoo! A lot of rain, a lot of traffic. Don't travel on a holiday weekend.
That was a mistake.
First stop is Port St. Lucie.
Woohoo!
And we have a day planned for tomorrow.
Woohoo!
Let's go.
Let's do it.
Hit subscribe if you want to watch the next video. Bye!